EliteShe is a premium handcrafted wood watch brand and a leading watch brand in the Middle East and North Africa region. As EliteShe expanded its business in multiple regions, its growth was constrained. When ad spend increased, something broke. Snapchat was underreporting or missing purchase events entirely. GA4 showed less revenue than WooCommerce. Meta, Google, and Snapchat told different stories. Ahmad, the founder, had no unified data, making it nearly impossible to decide which ads to scale. To restore clarity, EliteShe installed the Conversios server-side tracking plugin for WooCommerce. Within days, Snapchat purchase events began firing reliably, even with browser restrictions. GA4's revenue figures matched WooCommerce. All channels aligned around the same truth. The results spoke volumes. Snapchat purchases tracked with 75% conversion. GA4 is no longer underreported. Meta, Google, and Snapchat reports finally lined up. With accurate data in hand, Ahmad could confidently scale ad spend and expand into new channels.